This is a back and forth hike starting from the upper Sataf parking lot, going down on the green trail to the Sataf spring, and all the way back to the parking lot where we have left the car. We'll start walking east from the parking lot. To get there, set Sataf parking lot on the nav app. After a short walk, we'll break off the main road to the green trail. The trail starts with a moderate descent and some easy scrambling sections. We'll go through ruins of an old village. These will lead us to the first spring cave. The spring has water all year round and is an excellent choice for anyone staying in Jerusalem that wants a quick taste of the nature nearby. The next spring cave is not far away and is a bit more challenging. To enter this cave, you'll have to have flashlights and be ready to squeeze through in dark and tight places. The whole village that stood here once was built around the spring to provide water for its inhabitants. The water are dripping out of the wall, and over the years small stalactites have grown up on the rocks. We're out of the cave and on our way back to the car. Thank you for staying along. If you like this video, please be kind and subscribe to my channel.